What's up, traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard trading coach. I'll be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about all aspect of trading as NFP coming up later today. So let's look at one by one all of them before NFP to see how the market is evolving. So before I begin, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So looking at first of all dollar CAD. Now dollar CAD, as CAD and dollar both news coming up. Dollar CAD, this is the trade that we have opened yesterday just after the news release, which has gone up to so far we are on, I'm sure that many of you already have opened the trade, so we are almost 60 pip up on this one. It's a risk-free trade and I'm still holding that position for 5 times profit on this one. Now the reason I'm still holding this trade is because if you look at this market on dollar CAD, for me it is still bull market. We could see there is a probability for a spike, as you know that NFP is always about the spike, but I think the dollar CAD may remain bullish. Okay, so we will be looking at to see how the market is evolving. As you can see, if you look at the daily, that this is the daily candle has closed on dollar CAD with a very long bullish candle. Now bigger picture, looking at the monthly perspective on USD CAD, what I think that from the monthly dollar CAD is a bull market. Bigger picture, if you look at this monthly price action, what you see that USD CAD created this monthly impulse and then there is a triangular pattern, and that's a bullish pattern here on dollar CAD, and we saw that one monthly candle has come down. Now this monthly drop on dollar CAD, for me it's another continuation, because when you see an impulse triangle, the price breakdown, highly likely it normally trend in that direction. So with that respect, dollar CAD for me it's bull market. Now if you look at the weekly, we see that after previous weekly bullish middleman, this week so far, once the market opened with a gap, we saw that USD CAD had a bounce to the upside. Now daily also we see that this is the daily candle that we have open position, and I think that dollar CAD, there's only one probability is for this is the there is an inverted head and shoulder. And if you look at on dollar CAD, you see that there is a doji here, and what I think that we might see a bit more long week, and during the news we might see that a spike may have come, and I think you could see that the market is trending to the upside. So dollar CAD for me is bullish. Now from the 4-hour perspective, we saw that how the market created this move here after grabbing liquidity, has created this move and then consolidation here. After this much movement, a little consolidation is what I think that is a preparation for another bullish move. And I think from bigger picture, dollar CAD, highly likely we could see the market is coming here to test this level. Okay, so there is a very high probability for this market to remain bullish. Okay, so any trade, again we are running this one, again any trade coming along the way we will be entering again. Let's see how it goes, starting with dollar CAD. Now looking at gold, we'll be looking at the gold as well. Let's see how it is doing. Let me know guys how you are doing on your trading. Thank you very much, bullish. Good evening coach and everyone. Thank you very much. Digital, hello coach, thank you. Chef, good evening coach, thank you. Gilberto was excellent dollar CAD trade, holding profit. Very good Gilberto, thank you very much for holding that. That's a very good approach. It's very important that it's a good big part of trading psychology. is to hold position for bigger profit target. Okay, so sir, please explain chart Gbpusd. I'll be looking at that. Hello coach, thank you very much. Hello everyone. Mohammed Yusuf, thank you, happy to see you. Dedication, thank you very much, Mohammed. Yeah, sure. Not only me, I believe that every one of you are dedicated, and I am really humbly what I can say that tell you that guys, I really feel good to see how dedicated, because those who are trading with us, I know how much effort they're putting in, even after having a full-time job. And I completely realize how it is, because there was a time also I did a full-time job and I did trading, and I saw that majority of my students, subscribers, all of you guys also have a full-time job, part-time job, but is still trying to learn trading and spending time in live session. And I get really inspired from you guys when I see this. To be honest, sometime I see how much dedicated you are, and that gives me the energy to put more on that, because I see that hundreds of thousands of trader getting in very, very serious about trading. Then I also get motivated from all of you, so thank you for that, and thanks for sticking to trading. It's all about how much how much time you dedicate for longer success. It's all about success is all about perseverance, that I can say. Perseverance is the key to get success. Trading is like every day. Every day is not the same day. Okay, someday you might see that the trade may not work out well the way you expected, but it's all about consistency and persistence. That, like, the nature is very slow but very accurate. Okay, anything you want to be anything you want to succeed in life, there needs to be very, very consistent. Overnight millionaire is not possible, or overnight being successful overnight also, it's not possible. It's all about dedication, consistency, hard work, and sticking to the plan. Okay, this is very important that everyone understand it. So let's look at, we saw that dollar CAD, we are holding it, and let me know if you also holding it. I hope that you are also holding it. I'll look at now gold. Let's see gold. Looking at the daily, you can see the previous day gold has formed a candle. You see, this is a long wick candle on gold, and that long wick candle, very interesting. Okay, from this daily 20 EMA, the price had a rejection. There is a long wick from the daily, and once the market opened today, we saw that from that level so far the price is pushing high. Okay, now looking at the bigger picture monthly, guys, what I think that this is the monthly price action, and for me gold from monthly is down. Okay, I think that gold is bearish from bigger picture perspective, because if you look at this monthly price action on gold, you can see that this is the monthly resistance zone here. Okay, and pardon me, with this monthly resistance, the price grabbed liquidity from that level and then had this long bearish candle. Now with that bearish candle previous months, a middleman, now if you are not sure middleman, let me know in the live chat, we'll discuss more. Middleman is a continuation pattern, and this is a middleman on the monthly, and I think that this month also gold might remain downside, because liquidity trigger bearish engulfer middleman, I think that gold may not be able to break to the upside. Instead, we could see that gold is down, coming down to test this monthly 20 MA or even breaking this low. So looking at the weekly time frame, what we see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly price action, and with this weekly the price has crossed this weekly high. Okay, this is the weekly resistance, and after triggering that liquidity from the weekly perspective, we saw that the price has broken towards the downside. Now from the daily, we see that the price after crossing the daily 20 EMA, after crossing the daily 20 EMA, the price has broken down, and previous day a long week candle. Today so far, what we see that gold is moving up. I think that anytime we could see again another rejection. For me, I think gold might longer term is down. Now 4 hour, so far from here a movement to the upside, and anytime we could see that gold coming down. Now this is the 1 hour candle, and with this 1 hour candle as NFP coming up in just, let me see the Forex factory calendar to see when the news is being released. So I think in just 15 minutes, if you look at the calendar, this is Forex factory. So we see that NFP coming at 10 p.m. 10:30 p.m. in my zone, which is only 15 minutes away. Very volatile, and I think that you see this is the 1 hour chart on gold. That 1 hour was a sharp drop, and then the market created this local bullish structure. I think that anytime we could see that break, okay, and continuation to this downtrend, a breakdown, pull back. I will wait for another breakdown. I think very highly likely. Let's look at the 15 minutes chart to see after this one there will be another candle. Even on the 5 minutes, the market, you can see this trend. For me, I think that this trend might break down, and that break could give us trading opportunity. All right, we'll be looking to see how the market is doing. So from gold perspective, we see potentially bearish price action. Now looking at dollar CAD again, I think dollar CAD for me, if they almost move in the same direction, if gold is coming down, dollar CAD usually will move up, dollar yen might move up, and gold might, if gold is coming down, that's completely the other way around. So this is the lower time frame price action on gold on the 5 minutes. We'll keep watching. Let me know in the meantime what others are doing. Okay, so dollar yen, we are running also a trade on dollar yen. Now dollar yen, why did I open this trade? This is a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio trade. We are almost hitting the TP nearly, and this one, let me tell you why I have opened this trade. Now dollar yen, you can see if you look at the daily, right? Now dollar yen, this is the daily price action, you can see, and from that daily, when the price has come down to daily 20 EMA, exactly to the daily 20 EMA, dollar yen had a bounce. Now this is a very long term bullish market coming to daily 20 EMA. If you look at this, dollar yen 20 EMA has not been tested for ages, and once it touched that daily 20 EMA below this doji, okay, below this doji, dollar yen has touched the daily 20 EMA, and from that we saw this market had a bounce to the upside. And if you look at 4 hour and 1 hour, this is where I have called for this trade on dollar yen. You see from here we have entered, which is running in good profit on that direction, and I want to hold it for 3 times like with dollar CAD. So you see this is a very important place to look at. You can see from the same level on dollar yen have rejected to the upside, created this massive move on dollar yen. This is the move, has come back down, a little bit overextended to the downside, and then we saw that dollar yen had another movement to the upside. Now with this move, you can see dollar yen in fact had a bounce to the upside now, and if it moves there, we'll get 3 times on this one. Okay, and let me see how it goes, because it is always important that looking at bigger picture always. So dollar yen trade going in the direction as expected. Also the same trade I have shared with VIPs, guys. If you want to trade with us also, dollar yen trade, like all the instrument including gold and euro dollar, Gbpusd, you can join us. There is a link in the description. And today special, guys, for you, there is NFP sale going on, which is ending tonight, so you can join us with NFP coupon. So let me show you what's happening here. Okay, so there is an NFP sale is going on. There is a coupon available for you to join lifetime access plan. So let's see, as I mentioned that now gold is trying to come down with the with that. Let me see. Yeah, there is a break on gold. Let me see which way it is trying to do. As I mentioned that gold is a bearish market, and we can see that with that bearish movement gold is coming down. Okay, so dollar CAD should be having to the upside, and dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen is going crazily, which is very good. Let me see that on gold. Okay, so far okay, so as I mentioned that now this move again, which way it might be going, it's very important to see. Okay guys, let me know how you are doing. Thank you very much for being here. Hi coach, thank you. My session just started, waiting for gold. Yeah, thank you very much. I'm also waiting. Good morning coach. Big day. Yeah, big day. Gold may test daily 1990 zone, then yeah, so please NFP prediction. I think that NFP might make DXY bullish. Let me see the way I think NFP might put the DXY to the upside. So far we have seen that. Good, peace, good afternoon. Dins, hello coach, gold is going up. Dins, thank you very much. Thank you coach for all you do. Please, in which country you are now? I'm in Sydney, Australia. Thank you for also all of you guys supporting the channel. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for that. I want to join lifetime one. His course is also included in it. Yes, absolutely. Vijendar, everything applied to everywhere. Okay, so you can apply the course in crypto as well as in forex, metal, indices, all universal. So you can do that. Thank you very much for that. Okay, and also there is a lifetime access coupon today special. You can use that. I'm going to give you guys the coupon on the live chat. So you can use that coupon in your, so use that coupon on lifetime access, valid for until Sunday. You can use that to join us forever. So once you are a lifetime member, you will be able to access everything for the rest of your life. So let's see on gold. Going back to the gold, after crossing the 20 EMA, I think it might prepare for another drop. The reason I think that way is because you see that from the daily, after going to the upside from daily 10 EMA, it had a bounce. Okay, it had a rejection primarily. So we have 7 minutes to go. I think we might see that again, continuation towards the downside, because if you look at this price action here, it's a downtrend. Okay, bigger picture is a downtrend. Okay, always look at the bigger picture. It's very, very important that, you know, looking at bigger picture, not only in trading, in every aspect of our life, we need to look at the bigger picture. You know, this is a very good at stoics. Stoics are, you know, one of the greatest stoics of all time. Many of them, one of them is Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor. He also used to do that. Seneca, Epictetus, all of them. He used to use that what's called a bird's eye view. The exercise is very good. So imagine that you are at the top, you know, at the top in the sky, and then look at the world, and you'll see that very, very you know, if you consider ourselves from top of the sky, then we will see that actually we are very, very insignificant and very smaller in comparison with the vastness of this universe. And it's very important because, you know, by understanding, we really overcome a lot of stress, and that helps us to be successful. You know, it's very paradoxical, but the reality is like that. For example, if you drop a lot of expectation, it will be much easier for you to be successful in life, because when we drop expectation, the ego dissolves. Then we started to see the most important part that we need in our life. For example, being a profitable trader could be a very important part, right? Because it brings the financial freedom. So let's see dollar CAD. We see that short-term movement on dollar CAD. So why dollar CAD and gold both coming down? Sometimes it happens because of the strengthening in CAD. So 4 minutes to go. Let's see how it does. Let me see dollar CAD. We see that some short-term movement coming on that. Okay. So let me see that dollar yen also, there could be spike, and then we might see the direction coming in the market. All right, so let me see the daily on dollar CAD. Now the most important part here is the spike, which way the spike is coming up. Quickly, let me see the DXY. All right, so looking at the daily, weekly. Okay, spike is very important. Now from the monthly, DXY might come down to fill that week, so it's really important to see how the price is evolving here. Okay, so you see that on dollar CAD, dollar yen is, long-term bullish market, and I think that dollar yen might be moving to the upside for bigger picture. Okay, in the meantime, let me see. Okay, Aussie CAD is down, Aussie yen also down. Okay, so 1 minute to go. See that now data is very important. Let's keep eye on data. Okay, the market has a spike, massive spike. Gold has a big spike. Okay, so as I mentioned, there is a significant spike, and that might lead the price now for. So look at the daily. Okay, so it crossed the daily 20 EMA. Dollar yen had a spike too. Let's see now. So you see that on DXY had a breakdown. Gold had a spike to the upside. Okay, okay, so let's look at, we need to be patient a little bit before we are entering a position. First, let's find out which way the market is trying to be heading. Is very important. If we look at the weekly, okay, so dollar CAD is still on it. Let me see this one. Okay, so this one might be coming to test the 20 EMA. NZD CAD. So I'll be looking at all of them to see. Okay, AUD USD has tested the support. Just look at all of them, guys, to see. Okay, so this one also had a break. Now what we see that with the data, let me see. So we saw that after the data, dollar so average hourly earnings is good for DXY. Non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. So unemployment rate remain as it is. Non-farm employment change 209k. Average hourly earnings 0.4. So there is a mixed information. This one, non-farm employment change, is forecast was 224k. Data came out to be 209k. So there is a mixed reaction on it, but that causes DXY to be bullish. Okay, so looking at dollar CAD, which is also getting bullish now. Let me see. Okay, gold, and because of DXY had a down, DXY had a bounce, gold has moved to the upside. Let me see, 15 minutes. Okay, guys, so Now it is very important to see the trend direction. See this one. I'll keep looking at just to see which way the market is heading. It is important that we see the real picture. Dollar Swiss franc, what I see that the market is bearish. Okay. Dollar yen, is forming a doji. US30 and NASDAQ still down. Okay, so gold again, you see, after triggering a huge liquidity, it's now has come back down again from 5 minutes. Dollar CAD up again. So gold again, after you see that there's a massive liquidity gap from the top, it's gone up and then has come back down again. Let me see. I think that we might see now a trend on gold. The market getting very volatile. It will remain very volatile now. So with the dollar yen, exactly, the doji is closed as a doji on the 15 minutes. Let me see now. So we need to see here which way the market gathering liquidity. This is only the way we can know. So it gather liquidity from the top and also from the bottom. Okay, now dollar yen, the GBP JPY and gold. Okay, so what I see from this perspective, we could see that, you see, there is a massive liquidity gap on gold, and I think that gold, you can see, has formed this head and shoulder with this liquidity gap. Still not close this candle, but with the other instrument, we see that on the 4-hour candle close, we see potentially AUD looks weaker in comparison with you can say AUD USD also has gone up and then gathered liquidity, and AUD USD also expected in the same way. Now from the resistance line, there is a daily middleman on AUD USD. Okay, so Euro AUD has crossed the weekly low and then had a bounce. So Euro AUD for me, it is bullish. Okay. Just trying to figure out which way it's heading now. Going back to gold again, guys. You see the gold triggered liquidity from all sides. Let me know, guys, how you are thinking. Let's see, we'll be entering trade if we find an entry. Definitely euro dollar. Yep. Thank you too. Do banks have system where they can use how much sellers and buyers? Yeah, not that system. It's like they have access to the liquidity, so they can understand from the liquidity perspective. Learn a lot from you. Thank you very much. Grote, hi coach. Good evening. Thank you very much. Good evening. I'm new, but I'm learned something already in your YouTube. Thank you very much for mentioning that. It's really good to hear that you guys are learning and progressing. That's very good. Good day, coach. Please, what's the difference between day trading and swing trading? Simon, very good question. Day trading is when you sit on your desk and you open a trade, you observe the trade all along the way. Typically you close the trade on the same day or maybe next day. This is day trading. Swing trading is like when you sit on a specific time, maybe half an hour a day, set the trade on the higher time frame, and then you leave the trade to play out for maybe a couple of days. That's called the swing trading. Hope that you got it. I'm waiting on gold. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Selling gold in profit here. Good evening, coach. Thank you. Good morning. Sell. Good evening, coach. Thank you. I think it's going down to 1902. Let me see. What about 30? Thank you very much. Should we close the trade on dollar CAD? Dollar CAD, let's see what we see that the market is might be coming down. Okay, we have closed half position, the other half is running. It might take us break even, but let's see. I think we might see that dollar CAD coming to test the support level again. Let me see. So you see that, you know, we need to see the market settle down, then you will exactly know which way the price might be heading to. Okay, so from 15 minutes after triggering that, let me see what gold is doing. So we might see some, okay, okay, so we'll be going long on gold. Stop loss below this low. All right, guys. TP target 221 initially. I will be going long on gold as there is a probability for movement to the upside on gold. The way I see now, potentially bullish gold, and I'll also send the same trade to VIPs as well. Okay, so okay, so potentially the way I see that doji has formed, there is a probability for gold to move to the upside. It gathered liquidity, majority of the liquidity gathered from the support zone, and what I think that we could see potentially potential movement to the upside. Now it might have another spike, but let me see from 15 minutes time frame. Look at the 1 hour. Before the candle close, it might come to test this level. Okay, so I want to see that it's breaking to the upside, going to the profit, and then we'll take some part of it, and then we'll close the rest of the, move the stop loss. So I'm in profit now. Let's see. So I had a running trade. I'll be closing that. So first of all, let's look at the dollar CAD. Okay, gold again has come down for liquidity gap. I just break the low. respecting this pretty tight. Okay, still if it bounce to the upside, then we should be able to see. Just come down to the 20 EMA. Sometimes very tight. This 1 hour candle has closed. This one here with the 1 hour candle close, almost coming to the support level. No, still there. Still there is a manipulation. Market might be trending. Let's see which way heading again. The 1 hour candle closed. Let's see, we have to enter again. So with the dollar CAD. What's happening? It's just trending. So just gathered liquidity. Might consolidate it in that area a bit more time. It is ridiculous long wick from the top. Now which way it is trending is the key. Sometimes it becomes very unpredictable. Okay, so I think that now it failed. Let me know guys how you're thinking, which way heading gold. It might, this is a sometimes very confusing. It will show you direction and then it will just turn around. And the dollar CAD. Okay, so this 5 minutes candle is a half body half wick. We could see the market coming down to fill that wick. Oh, let me see. So with this dodgy deceleration and then trend now. Okay, so this is a, you see this move has gone up to the resistance line, crossed this high, and then has come. So movement correction is trending in that way. So if you look at the dollar CAD, also doing in the same direction. Okay, dollar yen, DXY. It will try to attempt, if it will try to break again to the upside. Patience is the key. I think that we might see again. Okay, in the meantime, dollar yen. Let me see what happened with this 5 minutes candle close. So with that 5 minutes candle close, what we can see that potentially gold okay. So it is important to see, is it forming consolidation and then moving up, or now it is really crucial. Okay, so we'll keep watching. Let me see, dollar CAD has a rejection, so again we see gold trying to be stronger. Now it might try to go up and fill that long wick. Okay, so this is a resistance line. Okay, now okay, so okay, so now I will go long. I'll explain later why. Below this stop loss, TP target 1 here, the other one is up to here. After, if it reach TP1, then I'll make TP2 visible. So I'll be also sending the same position to VIPs. Okay, so Okay, so the potentiality for this trade, if we look at this price action, I think that we might see slowly again the price is bouncing to the upside. Okay, now if I look at this price action here on the lower time frame, you know what, I think that if you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see there is a doji on the 1 hour. The price already tested the lower part of this doji, and we could see that gold going up again to hit that level, at least feeling that week. There is a long week and there's an imbalance here. The price already tested the lower part, and I think that gold might go up again. So I'll hold a position for some more time, as there is a long week here. Should be able to see that movement to the upside, and let's keep that on. All right guys, anything can happen in trading. Always keep in mind everything is just for educational, and always open in a demo account. It's very important that you understand that, you know, I recommend you only to open in a demo account any trade, right? So, you know, I think that the market might be bouncing to the upside on gold. It was just previously was a liquidity grab. I think it formed that imbalance to the upside, and we could see that the market is heading to the upside again. Okay, so what we see that from 1 hour, I look at the 1 hour chart, there is a long wick candle here, and with this long wick candle, the market has formed an imbalance in that area. Okay, okay guys, now if you look at this, you know, 5 minutes, we might see some consolidation, but the way I think that the market might be evolving is to basically form this structure again to the upside, because there is a liquidity gap here, and if you look at the daily, you can see that the market already formed an imbalance here. Okay, this is the daily price action. Okay, so Okay, I see that potential movement to the upside. Okay, so my account is running in profit. Look at the 1 hour candle. That what I think that we can expect some part to move to the upside, and so what I'll do here after reaching this much, I'll close partially and then I'll move my stop loss at entry below this doji, especially once it will reach that much far here. Okay, because there is a liquidity zone here. All right, so okay, looking at DXY just to see. Okay, I see potentially downside on DXY that could lead gold to the upside. The price is forming series of higher low. Right, hopefully that you're enjoying. Let me know in the live chat how you're doing, and also if you want to check out our courses and all the strategies that I'm trading, and also if you want to see all the trade that I'm sending, you can join us. There's a link in the description and also link at the top of the chat. There's a discount going on today. You can use that coupon to join the lifetime access plan. I'll recommend you to do that, as this is going to end very soon. And also give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So you see that this is where there is a potential movement to the upside, still showing bullish price action. So this 1 hour candle, okay, what happened is that this is a long wick, right? And this is an imbalance in the market, and what I think that the price might go ahead and fill that imbalance. From a bigger picture, from 4 hour, we see that this candle is 35 minutes later is closing, which is for me potentially bullish. For short term at least, we can expect the price to go ahead and fill that. Now this was the channel, the price was moving, and that channel is So this is a middleman, which is also for me is a potential bullish price action. So basically what it did, it gathered liquidity from here and also from the top. Now, you know, the reason I'm both situation I'm buy on gold is because, you know, the market was moving in this channel, but it broke, you know, before the NFP release, it has broken towards the downside, opposite direction of the trend. Okay, it has broken opposite direction of the trend and then has gone up and then has come back down. So it's maintaining its bullish market structure. Okay, so this is why I'm long on gold on both occasion. Okay guys, so let's see how it goes. In the meantime guys, if you are looking for a regulated broker, I'll recommend to our recommended broker is EvaTrade. So you can find a link in the description for EvaTrade, or you can use this link EvaTrade. I'm giving you in the live chat. You can use that link, click the link and then register for free, start trading with a regulated broker. If you use a code wizard, then you get 20% bonus on your account. So you see that gold is keep going to the upside, which is very needed for us to so the imbalance in this area, there is a probability for further movement. Guys, hope that you are enjoying. Let me know in the live chat. So gold is moving up as expected. Okay, so I suspect it's going before. Okay, gold is gonna bump. Same for free Telegram link. I posted. No, not the same. This one is a different. So you can use the same link. This one is for brokerage. Can you you? So for joining VIPs, you can visit the website, link in the description and also link at the top of the chat. Today there is a special going on for those who wanted to join, didn't join today. There is a discount code. You can use that to join the lifetime access, where you will be into position very good. You will be learning the strategy and also you will be trading with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So all the, you know, you can go to the website and then click join now button and then join us to be part of the trading community. If you are our lifetime member, you will be here forever, and I would say that is a very good decision you will be taking. As with that, you will be trading with us learning the strategies and also be part of a trading community who is very vibrant, and you will be able to access the VIP chat group where other traders are trading with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you see that with this the way the price action I see on gold on the 5 minutes is still bullish, which is bumping to the upside. Now I'm going in a zone where what I see that the market nearly going to a liquidity zone. Now this 1923 is above this, there is a liquidity, and we could see that trigger of liquidity. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close some part, okay, not full. First let it go up. Yeah, very good. I hope that you guys enjoying. Now I'm going to close 30% and moving the stop loss at entry. Okay, let it first go up. Okay, so still running full. Okay, now I'm going to close 30% of the position and I will keep the rest running. Okay, I close the 30% and I will move my stop loss at entry. Okay, so still running in gold. This is how trading is, that I try to explain to everyone, is that when the trade goes in your position, in your direction, you need to hold it. So you see I only closed 1/3, okay, of my position. 2/3 is still running for full TP. I'm sure that you guys are enjoying. Give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, so it should be hitting the TP now. I'll keep, so now here I have 2/3 running. I'll keep half closing here and the rest of the half I will take it to 1931 level. Thank you very much. Okay, dollar CAD, if because gold is pushing high, dollar CAD will be pushing down. We are out of your dollar CAD trade. I think it will drop now. Okay, if you we closed, I have updated on the free Telegram channel to move the stop loss here and close half position. So we are half profit, the other half is break even on that trade. Okay, I hope that you got that update. Stay connected with the free Telegram channel so that you don't miss out or any update if we are running any trade with us from the live. I'm also giving the link for free Telegram channel in the live chat. Okay, so free Telegram, join that in the live chat. Click the link and then you will be able to join the free Telegram channel. Also, there is a link in the description for free Telegram channel, guys. You can look at that. So looking at all of them, let me see what others are doing. So just okay, so there is a, after this massive movement, the price now coming down for a pullback. Thank you very much, Chirant. Yeah, full TP 1931. Thank you very much, Mohammed Absil. You are always welcome. NASDAQ. Okay, so looking at let keep gold running. Now gold is risk free. So in the meantime, looking at NASDAQ. Okay. Now NASDAQ, you can see there was a, with this NFP, there is a massive liquidity grab. If you look at the daily, this is a, you can see after forming this double top and this level on NASDAQ, this is a very powerful resistance zone. And from that resistance, we have seen that NASDAQ, from this resistance level, there is a rejection. Okay, with that rejection, so far the market is trying to break. I think that it might reverse from here, or we can expect further deepening. If it doesn't reverse, we can expect further deeper drop before moving to the upside on NASDAQ. Now if we look at the 4 hour, we can see that the market, with this long wick candle had a drop, is forming another long wick candle, and I think that NASDAQ may drop further. Okay, it might reverse from here. This doji that forming, I think that it's a you can see, when you see this kind of pattern with this strong bullish candle, the price couldn't break the high, instead created a double top, has broken completely the other way. Now this doji, I think that NASDAQ just tested this important support here, turn resistance, and that could be the reversal call, and we could see NASDAQ coming down for deeper drop as from a higher time frame. If you look at the monthly, this is a monthly resistance, and from that monthly resistance, the price is already overextended to the upside, and we could see that NASDAQ coming down to this support level. So there is a very high probability for NASDAQ to be bearish, okay, to drop to create a new lower low. Now, yeah, this is what I think NASDAQ might reverse. Okay, let's see how it goes. Any trade coming along, we do trade NASDAQ, US30, all of them. Any trade coming along, I'll be posting it to you guys on the VIP, or if I'm on live in the live session, and you can access all of them if you are our member. I'll invite you to join us today. There is a link in the description for our website. So also there's a link at the top of the chat of this. You can click the link, register, go to the website and then click join now button. Use that coupon to get additional discount today. You can do that. So you see that gold now heading to the upside again to our profit target. I think this imbalance here, we could see the market is heading to the upside with this imbalance. Okay, so dollar yen, dollar yen market is completely it's completely broken down. We might see that it's coming well below. So looking at gold again, hope that guys you are enjoying. Thank you very much. Thanks Mohammed Momin, thank you very much for your appreciation. William, thank you very much. 2 positions. I hope that how many of you had a open trade on gold? Can you let me know? Wanna see how many of you exactly open position? Can you let me know how many of you had a trade on gold? Okay, Muhammad Hamid, Sergi, GJ, okay, GJ. I think Gbpusd was in a bullish move, now had a breakdown. Okay, Gbpusd after closing this candle straight drop again. That's a very interesting, very interesting. We might see that the price might be coming to the support level. Okay, open on gold, thank you. Sell position, Sujaj, okay, open on gold. Mohammed me, okay, Mohammed, thank you very much. So scratch gold, sell position, okay, very good. Step now I don't have my, okay, edit and took TP 1924, very good. Okay, so I saw that many of you have opened. And anyone had trade on gold today with the NFP? Oscar, good afternoon coach, I am on open position, very good. Oscar, anyone else? Okay, so you see that, okay, it's still preparing for an upside. Oscar, yes. Jacob, open on gold, very good, Jacob. Okay, so Yes, trade crease, very good. Crease, thank you. Okay, so you see that there is a probability for there is a chance for gold to go up. It looks bullish. I'm still expecting it to move to the upside. We are running in profit on that. So yeah, my position also moving in profit. Okay, looking at 15 minutes, we can see that bullish move. Okay, so it is hitting 1.6 times TP1 hit, and we'll be waiting for the TP2. Just moving in that direction. Okay guys, it's good that it hit the TP. Gold hit the TP1. Okay, Mark, thank you very much. Mark, can you explain me about the trend breakout in Euro USD? Yeah, absolutely, coach. Any entry on gold? Yeah, we already had an entry. We already had a 70 pip. Very good. Yeah, so we had around 80 pip, around 80 pip. Okay, so basically you know, this is what trading is all about. You know, taking a bigger profit, taking a smaller loss, and then growing that account. I hope that, you know, you guys are enjoying this academy, everything. And if you want to know more about how I, you know, choose trade, what are the strategy behind it, you can join us. There is a link in the description and also link at the top of the chat. Today there is a special discount going on for the lifetime members. Now as you can see, gold has given us the TP2 TP1 and waiting for the TP2, and this is a, you know, once the first one didn't work out, you saw that the second one is giving us bigger profit. This is how the trading works. Once it moves in your favor, you need to take bigger profit target, okay, and then hold the trade for longer term. Okay, and to do that, it's not a one-day job. Little bit of patience needed. Okay, that's what I tell you guys, that always keep patience and always look at the bigger picture so that you can keep patience and grow as a trader. You can speed up your learning if you want to be part of the trading community. You can be. There's a lot of content that will help you, that's available. Everything that has developed here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, in the website available, all the strategies and everything. So let's see what next. So you had TP1 hit. I think everyone had in the same boat. Let's see, wait for the TP2, and in the meantime let's see if there is any other opportunity available with other instrument before I progress further. If you are looking for a regulated broker, you can join EvaTrade. They are regulated. Okay, so EvaTrade, regulated broker, link in the description, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat. So you can click the link and then register for free, start trading with a regulated broker. I recommend you to always to use a regulated broker. And Lucky I didn't open to my profit. Very good. I did open. Very good. Lucky call. Hi coach, I'm interested in the course. Can you tell me what it covers? Carl, everything. Okay, very good. I would recommend you to do it now. Everything that I have gained in over 10 years of trading experience is available on the course, as well as what I have learned from the mentors, all the strategies. TF strategy is one of my favorite trading strategy. TF strategy, as well as all the trades that I am opening, I'll post on the VIP group, and also all the trading tools that I am using, including the TF strategy indicator. You can see this indicator can be used after learning the strategy, available for you to access. There's a VIP chat group and many other things coming along the way. Thank you very much. Lucky Gbpusd, the pullback. Very good, Mohammed Momin. That's a very good idea. Thank you, Tony. Thanks very much, coach. You are the best. Lauda, you too. Thank you very much. Jalaj, any entry on gold? I am 70%. Very good. What are your thoughts on prop farm? Yeah, prop farm, very good. Yeah, if you are not trading your own capital, you can use prop farm. Absolutely. I'm negotiating with a very good prop farm, very good, coming up very soon, coming up with Forex Trading Wizard Academy, one of the best prop farm in the world. Will come up very soon, probably at the end of this month. You guys will have a surprise. I'm just finding the best one for you, so will be coming very soon. Okay, so all right, so we see that potentially we had a very great NFP. Like yesterday also, we had WTI had a bounce. Okay, so WTI, if I look at this one here, so what I was waiting for a retest. I think WTI set for uprise. Very high probability that WTI might be, you can see it grab liquidity many times, from this inverted head and shoulder. Highly likely we could see the WTI moving to the upside, trending to the upside, and we could see this market is going up. I will be waiting for the candle close, and then I will be posting the trade to the VIPs as well. So with that said, guys, I really believe that you guys enjoyed this live session, had found value in it. Give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Last thing, the WTI might be next week also trending. I think it prepared for a break to the upside. Bigger picture, we could see the market is heading to the upside on WTI. So thank you very much for being here. Tomorrow I'll be releasing the weekly Forex forecast, so make sure guys you give a big thumbs up and also stay subscribed to the channel, so that you are not missing out any of the content that we are releasing every day. So gold is still up. I will hold the position for full profit. The rest is a risk-free trade, and I'll keep you updated here as well. And thank you very much. Make sure you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Check out all the link in the description, might be helpful to you, and I'll see you again next one. You guys are awesome. Let's move on for the next week. Trending week coming up, we'll have another rocking trading week. Thank you. I'll see you soon, and I'll miss you over the weekend. Have a good weekend. I want to see you next week again, making money and trading. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.